student, today we are going to learn Introduction to Angiosperm Taxonomy. This is a introductory topic of your botany theory paper first, entitled Taxonomy of Angiosperms and Plant Ecology for a semester 3 of your SYBSc. First of all, we will see the definition of taxonomy. What is meant by taxonomy? Taxonomy is a branch of botany that deals with the classification, identification, description and nomenclature of plant according to law or by rule. The term taxonomy is derived from a Greek word. Taxis means arrangement and nomos means law. Therefore, it is a arrangement of plant according to law or rule. When the taxonomy deals with a plants, that time it is said or called as a systematic botany. So taxonomy is a principle and practices of classification. The term taxonomy was first used by a French botanist A.P.D. Candolle in 1830 as a theory of plant classification. Till date, it is considered as a plant science, includes identification, nomenclature and classification. According to Lawrence, 1955, he defined taxonomy as a science includes identification, nomenclature and classification of objects of biological origin, but when it concern with a plants, so that time it is referred as a systematic botany. Now we will see a objectives of taxonomy. What are the objectives of taxonomy? Why we are doing study of taxonomy? Following are the main objectives of taxonomy. The objectives of taxonomy are identification, nomenclature and classify the plants present on the earth. Also provide convenient method of identification and communication related to plant. It also provides classification system based on natural affinities of the organism. The objectives of taxonomy to provide inventory or list of plants occurring on the earth surface as a floras, monographs and manuals. Also, the another objective of taxonomy is to store knowledge of past and present plants. Also perceive evolution, find out its process and interpret its results. The one of the objective of taxonomy is provide a relationship with various discipline and taxonomy and generate data for synthesizing systems of classification, that is formation or development of classification system based on the various data and form relationship. Taxonomy also provides under the one of objectives phenetic, natural or phylogenetic data related to plants. So this can be achieved, or this approach of taxonomy can be achieved by empirical approach, that is based on practical experience, observation and characters of organism. Another approach is a interpretative approach. This interpretative approach based on evolution of taxon or phylogenetic classification based on past history of a taxon. Now we will see what is the scope and importance of taxonomy. By aforesaid objectives, we are doing the study of taxonomy. But what is the scope and importance of that study for society and for the botanist? Following are the some of the important importance and scope of taxonomy are mentioned. There is a great role as an information storage and retrieval. Knowledge of taxonomy useful for forester, genetist, breeders, plant pathologist, biotechnologist. Taxonomy is a source of characteristic of plants for biotechnologists that will be useful them in genetic engineering. The chemist and drug industries get proper name of plant from which drugs are to be prepared by means of a taxonomy. Effective means of plant communication in the world is one of the important scope of plant taxonomy. The list or floristic inventory of a plants prepared using a taxonomy is found useful to study extinct plant from the fragile ecosystem, and we can come to know which plants are to be conserved in a particular ecosystem. The another importance of taxonomy is taxonomy has a importance in agriculture, horticulture, plant breeding and medicinal studies of plant. The most important scope to the taxonomy is in the conservation of biodiversity. There is a great importance to taxonomy in the conservation of biodiversity. Importance and fundamentals in establishing gene bank and germ plasm collection is is given to the plant taxonomy. Taxonomy also plays important role in green revolution and gene revolution. There is a great role to the taxonomy in agriculture, horticulture, forestry, in development of new variety. Important role in pharmaceutical industry for identification of plants, proper plants. Importance in identification of plants for ecological conservation practices to restore the different types of ecosystem on the surface of earth. Knowledge of taxonomy useful for identification and selection of useful natural wild plants for the use of human being. Knowledge of taxonomy also useful for compilation of fragmentary fossil identification and interpretation in the different theories of evolution of the plants. This is what about the introduction of plant taxonomy with concern to their definition, their objectives and their scope and importance. Thank you.